All right, my friends, before we start our movement lesson for today, let's go ahead and get ready to do our exercises. Are you guys ready? All right, you're gonna stretch way up high, come down and touch your toes, touch your knees. You guys are gonna put your hands on your hips or your shoulders. Good job. Put your hands on your shoulders, top of your head. Excellent. Reach up one more time. Let's stretch all the way down and touch our toes, touch our knees, pat our tummies. Good. All right, elbows. Excellent. Last time, stretch as high as you can. Come all the way down, toes, knees, and let's put our hands on our hips. We're gonna do 10 toe pushes now. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4 to the tippy top, 5, good, 6, 7, 8, 9, and let's hold the last one, 10. Good job. All right, last exercise before we start. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent job. Let's get ready for our next activity. All right, welcome to movement. So today we are going to do red ball, blue ball, 1 ball, 2 ball. Does that sound familiar? It should. It's Dr. Seuss, red fish, blue fish, 1 fish, 2 fish. Today we're going to work with different size balls. We're going to work with small ones, medium ones, and large ones like soccer balls, which I'll show you later. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take the medium-sized ball and we're going to put it on a paper towel holder. So for this activity, I was trying to think of what you would have at home. And I remember that you might have paper towel holders, toilet paper roll holders, and you might have leftover plastic eggs. So the first thing we're going to do is you're going to put the ball on the paper towel holder and you're going to try and balance. Now I added tape so I can walk around the tape without losing the ball. Okay, and you can make it really wide or you can go ahead and make it very short. And once you get to the table, I have set up 6 paper towel holders that I cut in half, along with a color diagram that if you were to put it right over it, that's where you want the eggs to go. So the first one is blue, so I pick up my blue egg. Next one is yellow, then green. I have orange is next right here, purple, and then last, red or pink. And so now this, my diagram matches my colors. Now the great thing about this is you can do it by yourself, or you can set up 2 mazes and challenge your mom or dad or brother or sister to do this and see how fast you guys can put them on. The other thing that you can do if you don't have any Easter eggs left over is you can go ahead and draw a diagram that has shapes and colors. So when you come up to the table, green diamond, you just match it. Red oval, yellow circle, purple square, blue triangle, and last but not least, orange rectangle. All right, I'm going to show you my next activity in just a second. Hi, all right, the next activity we're going to do is literally basketball. We have a laundry basket and a medium-sized ball, and I have put down tape in 3 different spaces so I can back up and challenge myself. So sometimes, depending on what ball that you're using, they can bounce out of the basket, or you have to kind of use your angle. Practice a couple of times till you get in the right spot. All right, here's the first one. I'm going to back up. Back up even further. And there you go. And you can even continue going as far back as you can. The other thing is, like I said earlier, Challenge your brother and sister, challenge your mom and dad, see how far you guys can throw it. All right, this next activity is taking a small ball, putting it between your feet, and then trying to get it into the basket. How do we do that? Well, I'm going to show you. So you're going to lay down on your back, keep the ball between your feet, and you're going to have to use a lot of muscle in your stomach, your core muscle, and a lot of your legs. So get ready, and probably arch your back if you need to. After you get one in, you can line up more and continue doing it and see how many you can do. All right, for this activity, I took an Amazon box because we have a lot of boxes coming to our house, and I went ahead and colored some paper and put it around the circles. Now, as most of you have learned, our primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. And our primary colors, if you take two primary colors such as red and yellow, they make a secondary color. Do you happen to know what the secondary color is for red and yellow? Orange, very good. You know what the secondary color is for red and blue? Excellent. Purple is exactly what it is. What about yellow and blue? What do yellow and blue make? Green. Awesome. Now, this is for sorting. Sorting is a great activity to be able to take either a bucket of balls or the plastic eggs that we talked about, and you sort them by color. This one is yellow, so I'm going to put yellow there, and as I pull them out, red. Oh, I have another red, so I'm going to sort it right there. What other colors do I have? Blue and purple, so I'll put blue here and purple, and then I have green and yellow, and this is an excellent activity. You can put the colored balls or even the colored eggs that you have from a couple of weeks ago, put them into baskets, put them into a box that you make, but sorting is always a wonderful thing to do. Another activity to do with plastic balls is to take a long box. On this one, I went ahead and marked it with numbers 1 through 4, and I cut a hole at the bottom so the balls can come out. Now, with this one, I'm going to do what the number says. That's how many balls I'm going to put in. So the first number says 1, so I'm going to put 1 ball in. The next number is, can you tell me what the next number is? 2, very good. So I'm going to go ahead and put 2 balls in. 1 and 2. All right, what's the next number? 3, very good. So how many balls do you think we're going to put in? You're right, 3 balls. 1, 2, and 3. All right, last number that we have is 4. Excellent. So now I've got to take out a couple extra balls. All right, you ready? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, one of the things that you can do with this activity is put it on the ground and reach up to put the ball in. So you kind of squat down and you put the ball in this way. You can also take the box and lay it on its side and put the balls in. Okay, the last activity for tonight is broom ball. A broom and a ball, and I gathered some stones and threw them in my yard. So I'm going to show you one way of dribbling with the broom, and then we're going to do the other way with your feet. So same thing, get your mom or dad, brother or sister, and make this a challenge, a relay to see who can do it first and fastest. Now, I know you who play soccer, we start back here at the beginning, and with our feet. Remember we talked about inside, use the inside of your feet, stop the ball at the top, again, side, inside, and then goal. But as always, challenge yourself. Make it further back, make it closer together. See how fast you guys can go. And as always, Miss Ann and Mount Zion is missing you terribly. Love you guys. See you next time. Hi. All right. You ready? Can you tell me what color this is? Good. Where does it go? Can you put it right there for me? Okay. What other colors do you have? What color is that? Good job. What color is this? Where's that one going? Okay, what else do you have? That's red.